Hello, today I'm gonna make my Chinese chicken broccoli. Welcome back to How to Cook It. 2 cups chicken, 2 cups broccoli. 1 cup onion, fresh ginger, fresh garlic. 3 tablespoons oyster sauce, 3 tablespoons soy sauce. Wok, oil, get it hot. We're gonna add the ginger and the garlic. And we're gonna fry for 4 minutes, and we're gonna add the onion. And we're gonna add the chicken. I am using chicken breast. Now we're gonna add the black pepper and the broccoli and cook for 4 minutes, 4 more minutes. High heat. Now we're gonna add the water and the oyster sauce and the soy sauce and cook for 3 more minutes. Turn off the heat, add a little bit of green onion, stir, job done. Quick and easy chicken broccoli. Lots of love.
Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.